Remove facial makeup with makeup remover. Clean your face with facial cleanser and apply toner evenly. Wipe clean with a towel and apply toner evenly. Next is the ice hammer operation. Recommended parameters: time 10 minutes, temperature 5. Apply facial essence evenly to the entire face. 5 roots to circle and lift from the middle to the sides. They are, from the jawline to behind the ears. From the chin to under the ears. From the corner of the mouth to the middle of the ears. From the nose to the top of the ears. And from under the eyes to the solar plexus. Circle and lift the forehead toward the hairline. Next, we'll do an upward lift on the path we just circled. After finishing your face, you can start applying facial mask. After 20 minutes, remove the mask and clean your face. Finally, apply skin care lotion, essence, eye cream, and face cream to care for your face. It is recommended to take 1 to 2 sessions a week, and a course of treatment is made up of 10 sessions. Contraindications: women in the period of pregnancy or lactation, people with heart disease or pacemaker, people with unhealed wounds from surgery or in the recovery period, people suffering from epilepsy, severe diabetes, hypothyroidism, or malignant tumors, people suffering from skin disease or infectious disease.